Hello, my name is BK Namdar. I am from MIDM. MIDM is having different wing that is related to HR training. Okay, basic question we are asking to our mind: why I have selected HR department, what is HR, and how I will be useful to HR department. That means we should have a basic knowledge, domain knowledge, foundation knowledge which is related to HR. HR department is having some different type of features because it is a legal department, it is a social department, it is connected with finance, but it is connected with emotions because recruitment is not our full-time job, but to retain the employee up to retirement, that is our full-time job. And during the service period of that candidate, it is our duty to provide the best services to each and every not an internal customer but as a family member related to all statutory assignments. Statutory assignments means salary, wages, bonus, ex gratia, LTA, provident fund, ESI, labor welfare fund. In addition to that, some schemes and acts we have to follow. This department is having connected with legal matter, and that legal matter means labor laws, and labor laws are applicable to entire India. So there is a wide scope. Whenever we are having domain knowledge, basic knowledge of HR, you can work anywhere because HR department is essential because every 30 to 50 employees we require at least one HR executive to provide the best services to each and every employee. So that it is a start with induction and end with exit interview. So induction to exit, this is the journey, and in between there is a concept of salary wages calculation, monthly routine work, quarterly routine work, annual routine work, database administration, computer concept and data processing, everything. So that it is, we should have a basic knowledge which is related what is gratuity, what supposed to HR is doing, and what we should supposed to do, that we should have a basic knowledge, that is the HR department. But HR is having some different concept, that is pre-joining formalities and post-joining formalities. Whenever we are working in HR, that means there is a n number of requirements according to departmental's requirement. Some companies are connected with engineering manufacturing, some companies are connected with chemical manufacturing or any other manufacturing. It is not correlate what exactly production company is there, but HR is a common department. So I feel if you attend the course which is related to HR, what exactly bird eye view point of view HR and macro level point of view HR, it will be a definitely you should able to crack the interview. In MIDM Institute, we are giving the training which is related to payroll system, attendance system, MIS development and employee self services. In addition to that, HR app which is closely related to HR department. So that computer concept and data processing in HR department, it is a very essential because nowadays every department, though it is a commercial, every employee is becoming a techno commercial because we are taking support from technology and net. So HR department is connected with e-concept, and our institute is giving the proper perfect training which is related to HR, and you are able to crack that interview. That much confidence we are having. Thank you.